Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: PS5, 2 monitors, and a plan. First, update the PS5 and set display preferences so signals match. Next, inspect both monitors, HDMI 2. One delivers 4K 120Hz, HDMI 2. 0 gives 4K 60Hz, so choose compatible outputs. Once done, pick your method: a powered HDMI splitter for identical output or a capture card for independent feeds. Prepare 2 quality HDMI cables and a power source. This avoids signal loss and explains why a powered splitter matters. Now you decide the how. If you want the same image on both monitors, connect the PS5 HDMI out to a powered HDMI splitter, then run 2 HDMI cables to each monitor. This preserves signal strength. If you need different content or streaming, route PS5 to a capture card, then to PC and second monitor. This adds latency, so adjust settings. If using adapters to chain displays, be aware they can downscale resolution or cap refresh rates, so choose components that match your target output. Finish setup by powering everything in order: monitors first, splitter or capture device next, then the PS5. You should see the image. If not, go into PS5 settings to set resolution and disable HDR as a test. Make sure audio routes correctly if using a splitter. If issues persist, try one key troubleshooting tip. Power cycle the splitter or capture device and swap HDMI cables. Many problems are simple signal or handshake failures. If still broken,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.